Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable location services on Instagram. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Instagram and perform your search. Tap on it. Then select App Permissions option, which is under Permissions. Then select Location option. To disable location services on Instagram, tap on Don't Allow option. And that's it. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.